Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the YouTube app and confirming you're on the account whose watch time you want. This matters because watch history ties to that profile. Once signed in, tap your profile icon at the top right. That icon leads to Account Tools. Then choose your data in YouTube or the Time Watched option if visible. This pulls up the watch time dashboard and related settings so you can see daily and weekly totals right away. Once on the Time Watch screen, you'll see a weekly average and daily totals. These numbers explain where most viewing minutes come from. Tap the graph or cards to expand hourly breakdowns and trends. This reveals which days or sessions are longest. Make sure to change the range using the filter, last 7 days, 28 days, or 90 days to compare patterns. Also look for watch on mobile versus watch on other devices if available. Because that's set to finalize, confirm watch history is enabled in history and privacy so future minutes count. Disabling it stops accumulation. If numbers look wrong, sign out and back in or update the app. This refreshes account sync. Once done, clear the app cache only if data still displays incorrectly, because that forces a reload without deleting your account data. If problems persist, check you aren't using multiple accounts and merge observations across them. This solves most discrepancies quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.